Hi and welcome back to Danno Does. In this episode, we're going to be making bacon-wrapped teriyaki chicken drumsticks. It's a very easy recipe. It tastes really, really good. I enjoy it a lot. You can do it on a grill, but today we're going to do it on an oven. As always, we're going to be sharing all the ingredients before we start cooking. And remember, I want you to like, subscribe, and try. As we said before, this is a fairly easy recipe. We're just taking our chicken leg, taking our bacon, we're gonna wrap it around the bulk of the meat, and then we're gonna look to undercut and tuck in the bacon. Get our bacon strip tucked in there, and then it's good. We put it to the side. We do this with all 5 pounds of our chicken legs. It's about 12 chicken legs total that we'll wrap like this. Then we'll put it in our teriyaki sauce and marinate it, and then get it ready for the oven. Oven is getting preheated right now at 400 degrees. Okay, I have a generic teriyaki sauce that I'm just gonna use. I'm gonna pour it into something that I can mix it all with. And then all I'm doing is taking those chicken legs with the bacon that we previously worked on. I'm gonna dip it in there, and then I'm gonna put it on my baking sheet. If you want, you can marinate it for up to 24 hours. I'm just gonna do a quick dip, make sure I get it all in there, and then place it on my baking sheet. All right, got them all dipped. Now I'm just gonna go through with the brush. I'm gonna put a little bit on the leg spot. It doesn't do much for the taste because you don't really eat that part of the bone, but it will do a lot for the coloration, so it will look nice and pretty, presentable. What this also is good for is you can take this out on a grill and grill it. However, today I'm just gonna put it on in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees. I'm gonna put it in there for 30 minutes, and at the 30-minute mark, I flip all of them. I also put in some onions, jalapenos, sweet pepper, whatever else I want to put in there to mix and add to the flavor as it goes, as well as the way it looks. So that's what we're prepping to do. So shortly we'll just cut up some peppers, jalapenos, throw these bad boys in the oven and see how it goes from there. All right, I'm not gonna have any jalapeno in mine. However, some people really do like jalapenos. I'm gonna be using some sweet peppers, small little sweet peppers. I'm gonna cut these up just so that they're ready. We'll use an orange, a yellow, and a red color. Just to add a little color to it, also a little bit of a taste. While we're doing this would be a great time to leave a comment in our comment sections below about what you'd like to see us do next on Danno Does. So please feel free, go in there, jump on there, leave a comment. Really appreciate it. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also would love to hear what you wanna see made next on Danno Does. All right, we got our sweet peppers all chopped up, cut up. We're gonna put a little salt and pepper on it to add a little bit of flavor. And then we're about at halfway through our cooking time. We'll take the chicken out. We'll flip it so that both the chicken as well as the bacon cook and crisp all the way through. And we'll put the peppers on at that point in time, let it sit for a bit, and then we'll pull it out and we'll be good to go. All right, it's been 15 minutes. We're just gonna go through with our tongs and rotate all these chicken legs. This will allow for a crispy, delicious tasting chicken leg as well as bacon. So this is gonna taste really, really good. So I'm gonna rotate all of them. We flipped them all. Let's take those sweet peppers that we cut earlier. And again, if you want to have a little jalapeno with that to continue to add a little kick to it, that's good. That's all for you, however you like it. So just put a little bit of the peppers, get it across real quick, get it in that oven for another 15 minutes. We'll take it out. Temperature should be at 180, 185 degrees. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then enjoy. All right, here it is, fresh out of the oven. It smells unbelievable. Can't wait to eat it. We're gonna give it about 10 minutes to rest to allow the juices to continue to circulate through and really get soaked in there. If you haven't already, please like and share this channel. Check us out at dannodoes.com. Now, stop looking and get cooking.